So our business has significantly increased over the last 2 years. We've always only had a maximum of 9 charging stations for EBTs. We've now got 28. The concept was to have a charging area that we could have enough chargers in place to charge all of the equipment and better utilize it in the operation. The Charge and Connect especially was something that we were very interested in seeing and experiencing. I think Fronius, they were great, the communication's great, they explained all the products, what they did, and then obviously the install, they handled all that side of things as well. So it was a really stress-free transformation really for the area. The operational benefits are brilliant. We can charge all our kit now. There's only 3-4 hours of the day that our kit is not being used, so it's kind of a small window for us to be able to charge all that kit and have it ready for going back out again. So now that we've got this nice area, 24 chargers, within that small window, we have it all charged up and ready to go when it's needed. So EV obviously is something that we're very keen to go to in the future. So any brand new equipment that we're getting in, whether it be high loaders, cargo tractors, etc., we're now going down the electric route, getting the infrastructure put in place for them now, definitely for future proofing as well. That's been really beneficial. We've got some electric cars already and a couple of pieces of electric kit. So having that area now where we're able to charge that equipment's been really good.
So I've been involved with this project as a project manager from MAG, liaising with dnata and Fronius to ensure this piece of work is completed.
So we, as the project delivery team, have been involved in MAN-TP, which is one of the programs within Manchester Airport. What our role within this entire piece was being that go-between between dnata, the team that will be actually using the facilities, and Fronius that have been delivering the works themselves. So we've been supporting in the getting the passes, the permits, the OANs, so the type of things that people may not know if they don't work on the airfield. So that's kind of been our key role. And Ali's done a fantastic job in coordinating that for us.
It was so convenient working with Fronius, especially like Fronius being a company that has done this piece of work like elsewhere. Even though like they've used an entirely new technology to the airfield, which has not been used before at any of the charging points within the Manchester Airport. And they've done a fantastic job.
And I'd just like to say, I think the communication that we had between the teams worked really, really well as well. It was a great team to be part of. And it's really nice to see that we've actually been able to deliver what we set out to from the start.
The layout, the structure, the ease of access to get your EBT or steps into the charging bays has been really beneficial. Before the introduction of this smart charging bay, it was very cluttersome. Now with everything with the drop cables, it's a lot easier to charge and allocate a charging bay to your EBT.
From using something like 10 litres a week down to something like 4 litres, 2 litres a week now in batteries, sometimes none. With Charge and Connect, I can monitor individual vehicles, I can monitor the charge status, how many times they've been charged, and if I've got any pending problems. For me, it means I can monitor the health of the batteries and I can forward plan if I've got a failing battery. So I can get one ordered and it's less downtime again for the vehicles.